This is about women's entry to Shabarimala. That debate is back, and the Supreme Court will be hearing review petitions. So the Supreme Court is set to revisit the issue of women's entry into Shabarimala. But here comes the politics. There are political parties who are asking the left government to clear their position. To understand what's happening, let me go across to our legal editor, Harish. Harish, explain to us what the Supreme Court is set to hear today. Why is this matter so important, and why has it come back to the spotlight? Sabarimala, the entry of women in Sabarimala back into the spotlight ahead of elections in Kerala. What is the larger legal significance of the matter? Explain to our viewers.
Yes, Supreme Court will hear a series of review and writ petitions concerning a September 2018 judgment which had allowed women of menstruating age entry into Shabarimala Temple in Kerala. In November 2019, a majority judgment by a five-judge constitution bench led by then Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi had referred the review and writ petitions to a seven-judge bench. Today, over 60 review petitions and writ petitions have challenged the Shabarimala judgment, and they have been listed. In 2018, remember, Supreme Court had ruled that the exclusion of women aged 10 to 50 from the Shabarimala temple is not an essential religious practice and violates Article 14, 15 and 25 of the Constitution. The court held that the constitutional morality overrides traditional customs and discriminates against women, affirming that such exclusion is not an indispensable part of the Hinduism. In fact, the 2019 judgment had not expressly stayed the 2018 verdict. The 2019 majority judgment had also clubbed similar petitions concerning essentiality of religious practices pending in the Supreme Court, including right of Muslim women to enter mosque, Parsi women who have married out of their faith to enter the religious place of worship, and the issue of female genital mutilation. So the 2019 judgment had said that the matter will be heard by a seven-judge bench, but today the matter is listed before a three-judge bench. It is expected that the three-judge bench might only lay down modalities and set a timeline for the hearing.
Now, Harish, this case has also taken a political turn because the leader of opposition in Kerala, in the Kerala Assembly, Mr. Satheesan, has asked the left government to clear its position on the matter and not to be vague about its position. Tell us about the affidavit that the left government, the LDF government, had filed earlier in favor of the Supreme Court verdict.
Yes, during the hearing, the state government had supported entry of supported the earlier 2018 judgment, and today we'll have to wait and watch what kind of stand the government will be taking. The left LDF government will be taking.
Right. So a wait and watch kind of an approach, because that's the question that many are asking in Kerala. What is the position of the state government on the matter? Is it going to stick to the position that it had taken earlier, or will it change its position as the Supreme Court gets set to hear review petitions on the issue of women's entry into the Shabarimala shrine? With that, it's time for us to take a short commercial break, viewers. We'll be back with more news and updates. Stay with Times Now.